Learn Icelandic. May I equals.
Má ég.
Welcome. Hey you, ready for a quick, friendly Icelandic win? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today your superpower is may I. In Icelandic, that is.
Má ég.
Quick joke. Even a grumpy troll steps aside when you whisper.
Má ég.
Politely. Your goal today. By the end, you ask for permission clearly and confidently. Use.
Má ég.
For permission. Use.
Get ég.
For ability. Plural permission is.
Megum við.
Negative is.
Má ég ekki.
Easy mnemonic. Ma looks like may, and egg means I. Say it with style. Warm up with me, repeat after the beat. Clap, clap, say.
Má ég.
Then add your request.
Má ég. Koma inn.
Come in. Library mode.
Má ég. Spyrja.
Ask a question. Tourist selfie.
Má ég. Taka mynd.
Take a photo. Seat check.
Má ég. Sitja hér.
Sit here. Polite twist.
Má ég ekki.
May I not. Cheeky, but useful. Mini dialogue. Act this out, use your friendly voice. You, excuse me.
Fyrirgefðu. Má ég.
Sit here? Stranger. Sure, please.
Vinsamlegast.
You, thanks.
Takk.
Narrator. Notice it is permission.
Má ég.
Not ability.
Get ég.
Friend arrives.
Megum við.
Share this table? Culture tip. A tiny etiquette boost. In Icelandic homes and small spaces, ask first.
Má ég.
Gesture cue. Raise your hand slightly and smile. This phrase is a social key that opens doors, sometimes instantly, like magic. Quick quiz. Ready? Say the answer out loud. How do you ask may I? In Icelandic? Answer.
Má ég.
Which means ability, not permission.
Má ég.
Or.
Get ég.
Answer.
Get ég.
Turn singular into plural.
Má ég.
Answer.
Megum við.
What is the negative form of permission? Answer.
Má ég ekki.
Challenge. Time to level up. For the next hour, whenever you hesitate, start with.
Má ég.
May I open the window? May I try this? May I ask? Bonus. Record yourself with the clap-clap rhythm.
Má ég.
Then your action. Outro. You did great. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Má ég.
Today, smile and doors will open. For more lessons and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.